Hello everyone from LSK Electronics. Today we would like to introduce our XH1 LED headlight kit designed for the AJP PR7. After the success of our headlights in the red garage fading kits and following many requests, we have created a solution for everyone who want to upgrade their lighting. This kit is made for riders who want superior performance, functionality and durability. Our headlights are designed to provide much brighter and wider beam than the stock headlights, making the nighttime riding safer and more comfortable. Lights have very good power efficiency and do not overload the alternator. The low beam consumes less power and the high beam's consumption is comparable to the original halogen bulbs. We have also added some features to improve the light's practicality at night. For example, the angel eyes ring serve as a parking light and activate as soon as the ignition is turned on. This means when you stop at the side of the road during nighttime, you are visible to other vehicles without wasting battery power. We have also changed the behavior of the switching between high and low beams. Unlike stock setups, where you can only use high beam bulb at a time, our lights now let both the low beam and the high beam operate together when you switch on the high beam. This provides maximum light output when you need it the most, ensuring that you can see everything clearly at high speeds in the dark. For every one of you who use your bikes on the road, homologation is absolutely critical. We have taken this seriously and our headlights are fully homologated for street use. This means they are certified for all road functions, the low beam, high beam and even the legal parking lights. Not only do they meet all the necessary regulations, but they are also designed to be as safe as possible, with the low beam optimized to prevent glare for oncoming traffic. We include a copy of homologation documentation to ensure that you can confidently take your bike through the technical inspections. This kit is ready for the road. No hassles, no worries. These headlights aren't just about the performance. They are built to last. The body is made from high quality milled aluminum, providing superior strength and precise look. The lenses are made from real glass, making them highly resistant to scratching and yellowing over time. This means that even after years of use, the headlight will maintain its full brightness and clarity, delivering consistent performance without degradation. On the right side, we have included a handy holder for first aid kit, which has no other place on the bike. First aid kit placed here is very easily accessible, and in case of something bad happens, you can very quickly release the straps and use it. On the left side, we have added a 12-volt socket, perfect for charging device such as your phone, GPS, intercom or action camera while you are on the go. Whether you are on a long adventure or just need to charge your devices, this socket will do its job. It's activated as soon as you turn on the ignition, so you can continue charging your devices even if you stop the bike and taking a short rest. Design is always a matter of personal taste, but in our opinion, the bike with the new headlights look fresh and modern. At the same time, it remains conservative to keep the bike's original design. It fully replaces the original headlight without compromising on reliability and the functionality. We don't like it when we buy a product and it arrives as a puzzle. We are not IKEA, so you will receive the entire headlights assembly already put together. Simply mount the unit to your bike using 2 screws and connect 3 plugs. The whole process takes just a few minutes. The headlights is fully adjustable in all directions, allowing you to align it perfectly with the windshield and direct the light where it's needed. So, with this kit you will get a modern, high-performance headlight with more logical functionality, which fully replaces the OEM headlights, fully homologated for street use, perfectly fitting with the OEM windshield, angel eyes parking rings for a cool look and increased safety when stopped at the roadside at night, handy first aid kit holder, 12-volt socket for connecting or charging electronic devices, and all necessary harness for plug-and-play connection. Okay, that's it. Thank you for choosing our product and wish you many happy kilometers with new headlight kit.